Hello everyone, welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Only a few days after the Honda Civic Type R's launch, the Japanese automaker has already released a real accessories line for its newest hot hatch. The red-painted mirror caps that match the red brake calipers and the Type R and Honda logos are now the only additional external adornment. Moving inside, Honda is providing customized floor mats, puddle lights, a wireless charging pad, side-sill plates with an illuminated Type R logo, carbon fiber/red polyester twill weave accents on the center console and doors cards, an aluminum shift knob wrapped in red leather, and more. The rear bumper and side sills also have a transparent protective coating covering them, and the boot has LED lights and a baggage tray with the Civic badge. Beginning in September, the accessories will be sold in Japan under the Honda Access name. Honda has not yet disclosed the accessories prices.